Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, always at the start always check your DND mode, so open the top menu and expand the icons. Now just look for the DND distro mode and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Sometimes you can just miss it by enable it by the misclicks, so just check it. After that, let's open the WhatsApp app in the settings. So open the settings, then go to the apps and look for the WhatsApp. Now let's start from the notifications. Of course, if you have it blocked, just enable it. Turn on also all of the notification types, and after that go to the in-app notification settings. Now make sure that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. Then go back. In the next step, open the mobile data and turn on the data usage wheel data saver, and also turn on the background data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and go to the storage and clear the WhatsApp app. So choose the clear data and choose delete again on the pop-up. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your notifications. In the next step, let's try to reset your network settings. So open the settings, swipe down to the general management and select the reset. Choose the network settings, tap on the reset settings, configure the pattern and choose the reset button again. And in the last step, try to update your system, so go to the software update, choose the first option, and if you have any update, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.